What is happening with Gala Games? Is everything okay with the project? Is there trouble in the project? Will the project recover from the huge retrace that it just did, that huge correction? If you're holding Gala, you won't want to miss this video. Please be sure to watch until the end. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. We have Merit Vale that has a nice article written, what's happening with Gala Games team. Gala coin price plummets. We're about to find out, guys. As of today, the native token of Gala Games is under significant selling pressure. Data shows that the token has dropped by 75% from its 2023 highs. Court documents reveal that Gala Games CEO Eric Schreimer and founder Wright Thurston have filed lawsuits against each other. The founder and his investment vehicle True North Investments accuse the CEO of misusing company assets to the tune of millions of dollars and engaging in fraudulent activities that have harmed the company. So right here we have the lead of the team of Gala suing each other because of issues with funds, misusing the company's funds. Insane, guys. Will Gala be able to make a comeback from this, guys? We'll have to see. Gala Games investors woke up to bad news as the challenges facing Gala Games have left Gala coin investors disappointed. Gala price faces sharp decline today. As of today, Gala, the native token of Gala Games, is under significant selling pressure, down 75% from its 23 highs, exceeded 6.2 cents in January 2023, and now the price is around 0.16 cent, erasing much more of the gains recorded in early 2023. The decline can be attributed to the bearish market conditions that affected not only Gala but the leading coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The slowdown in Bitcoin had a ripple effect in Gala, and as the token continued to decline, we get reversing gains made since August 29th. Dispute between CEO and founder. Beyond market factors, Gala's descent to all-time lows may be exacerbated by internal disputes. That could add further pressure to the token, already struggling against relentless bears. Court documents reveal that Gala Games CEO and founder have filed lawsuits against each other. The file indicates that Schreier accuses Thurston of illegally obtaining and selling $130 million worth of Gala coins. Oh man, when it comes to projects with teams and VCs, there's always so much risk attached, right? This is a problem in the blockchain trilemma. Remember, the blockchain trilemma consists of decentralization, scalability, and security. So right here we have one of the top team members obtaining and selling $130 million worth of Gala coins. The CEO alleges that the founder stole node licenses for operating nodes within the Gala gaming ecosystem. Additionally, the CEO points out Thurston's history of frequently establishing bankrupt companies. Man, so the Thurston also had a terrible past, man. That is not good. Schreier is seeking to remove Thurston from the board of directors. On the other hand, the founder and True North Investments accuse the CEO of misusing millions of dollars of company assets and engaging in fraudulent activities that have harmed the company. The founder claims that the CEO improperly used millions, including borrowing from Gala Games. Furthermore, they assert that the CEO created company assets in Switzerland and Dubai that should rightfully belong to Gala Games. The founder is seeking the CEO's removal from the office he has held since 2021. Greed is such a terrible thing in this space, man. And again, it's both parties going against each other. We'll see what happens as things continue to unfold and when these lawsuits and these court cases play out. But Gala is a great project. It is a great project. They've been developing throughout the worst market conditions ever last year, And there's a ton of holders that are bullish on the project and see the vision of the project. But the thing about crypto, guys, is that nothing is guaranteed. And this is why you never invest more than you're willing to lose in any project. It could be the best project since sliced bread. You never invest more than you're willing to lose. Will Gala be able to make a comeback from this? Projects have seen worse things happen and they've made a comeback. So there's always the possibility of a comeback, but now is the time to see. There's gonna be some storm, and eventually we're gonna see the dust clear and settle, right? From Evan Luthra, Gala going to $0. Gala Games is one of the largest ecosystems in the Web3 industry. The founders of Gala Games are suing each other over $130 million in crypto theft. Here are the charges. 1. Asset misallocation. Schiermeier reportedly siphoned $600 million from Gala Games for personal use. If you want to make a come up and become a billionaire, just make a crypto project and start to siphon some money out. What the heck? Unethical loans, accused of borrowing heavily from Gala Games for personal gain. Oh my goodness, man. Competitive conflicts, established rival entities in Switzerland and Dubai. Power manipulation, excluded board member Thurston from crucial decisions. Fiscal irresponsibility, submitted flawed or incomplete financial reports. Opaque practices, concealed key corporate documents from True North. Even Zach XBT has commented on this matter. Now, you guys know Zach XBT? If you don't know, is one of those people that has been an on-chain sleuth and uncovering rugs, uncovering people that use Etherscan. They have people that have great coding to do it in an illicit and wrong, terrible way. He's a guy that has been uncovering a lot of that stuff, man. Similar to like what CoffeeZilla does. If the YouTuber CoffeeZilla that goes into like exposing like scammers or things on chain that don't add up and hurts retail and the space altogether, right? So Zach XBT, their team has been sketchy for a while. AI investigation into Gala Games robbed people for hundreds of thousands of dollars with the Orbs NFT drop. From Fitzo Crypto, Gala is dying fast here. Who thinks it will survive the recent FUD? Again, Gala is a great project, but there's gonna be a storm and you're gonna have to wait until the storm clears, guys. Typically in the space, what Warren Buffett says, you buy the fear, you buy when everyone else is fearful, and that's how you make those life-changing gains, right? Crypto Macro, Justin, Gala CEO Eric Schiermeier and co-founder Wright Thurston are locked in a lawsuit, accuses Thurston of selling $130 million worth of tokens illicitly. Man. Snide breaking news, Gala Games co-founders sue each other over $130 million crypto theft. You can see the price action that is taking place because of it, man. Schiermeier allegedly spent millions from Gala Games, including $600 million in assets for personal purpose. $600 million! It's a critical moment to reassess your choice to hold Gala token. It's a critical moment to reassess your choice. So for me, guys, I have no personal bias against Gala Games. I think it's a great project. I think the team was doing the best they could throughout every market conditions. It would have been so much better if they took all of those funds to develop and actually focus on building a multi-billion-dollar Web3 gaming ecosystem, man. But you know how greed is in this space. So for me, guys, I don't personally hold any Gala. I just wanted to weigh in on the situation. If there is some way that the project could come back again, this could be a generational buying opportunity, or a place where you could just lose that and lose your funds. It's a coin flip, right? It's 50-50, right? Hitesh.eth, what's happening in Gala Games? Why co-founders sue each other? Let's find out. Here is a summary of the two ongoing lawsuits filed by co-founders of Gala Games against each other. True North versus Eric Schiermeier, a wealth management company which owns 45% shares in Gala Games. Gala Games president since 2021. Key summary: True North claims Eric misused around $600 million of company funds, sniped business opportunities from Gala Games. He lent millions from Gala Games to him to build his own personal wealth. That's what a lot of teams in this space do, right? And you see tokenomics where, when you see tokenomics where there's like 5 to 10% circulating and the rest is still on, still ready to be vested to the open market, look at those projects as short-term trades, man. You just have to look at those projects as short-term trades, because a lot of projects are created to just, these projects that we see in the space, a lot of them aren't decentralized and are created and made to just enrich the founders. I've been noticing that more and more often. So the best thing to do, in my opinion, is to look for more decentralized community-run projects, man. They also claim that Eric didn't maintain transparency and provided wrong financial data to them. True North wants Eric to get removed from the director positions and pay damage to Gala Games. Let's see these names right here. Let's actually Google these names. Okay, so this is Eric Schiermeyer, and this is Wright Thurston. Now, the person that I know from the team, Jason Brink. This is the person that I know, man. So he's not mixed up in the drama, because, again, you could tell, like, in this space, like, who the bad actors are. Eventually everything in the dark comes to light, man. So Jason isn't mixed up in this all this drama, and Jason, you could see, appears on so many YouTubers videos and stuff like that. It's against what's happening right now is with the CEO and the other team members, man. It's insane. Key summary: Eric claims that Thurston stole millions of Gala tokens from Gala Games. He also claims that Thurston allegedly sold Gala node licenses, man. Thurston has a long history of SEC litigation in the past. No way. So like we read earlier, he has a long history of being a bad actor, man. Eric is looking to recover stolen tokens, asking to compensate the damage to Gala Games and remove Wright from director position. And this is the thing, right? Regulation isn't in the space, so even if they file these lawsuits, it may just be a nothing burger. Let's be honest, right? Because we don't have the regulation, we don't have the SEC stepping in to push back, against the bad actors. There's so many people in the space and so many projects that have rugged or crashed. The team sold all their tokens. VCs dumped on us, dumped on a ton of retail investors, and nothing was done. So again, unless we get full regulation, I don't think anything will take place here, right? They're just, Thurston or whoever wins this case will just have to move on from the project, and hopefully, like I said, the project could pick up the pieces and move forward. We also have the Google Drive documents here to go into the full information on it. Confirmation by Jason, right? I tell you, Gala Games president. Jason, you could tell. Jason, like I said, one of those guys in Gala that didn't appear to be a bad actor. Man, this is insane, guys. It's high time to reevaluate your decision of holding Gala. And these are the documents, man. Summary of the action. These are the lawsuits. This is absolutely crazy. Here's Jason weighing in. It is unfortunate that it takes silliness like lawsuits between founders to bring attention to Gala. Since you are here, let's look at what is being built. Jason does not care about what is going on with them lawsuits. We are still building, and again, that's why I said it's a coin flip. There's a lot of people that's still gonna hold their Gala, still gonna believe in the project, and it definitely, there is still the possibility of it making a comeback. But with what is happening in the ecosystem with the team and everything like that, again, there's going to be a lot of FUD surrounding it. This could put a strain on, the project's future, like, development. Not as far as the video games that they make and, everything they're doing as far as the utility of the project, but I'm talking about investors getting into the project because of the drama that has taken place, right? So, Shout out to Jason. Perfect way. Perfect way to handle the situation from Jason, man. Let's tell you guys about the things that we're building. One Universe, Porca Go, Last Expedition, Go Gala Music, Go Gala Films, plus a lot more. There's a ton going on. Community is strong. We're all doing what we believe in. People will throw shade and bluster, and we will do what we have always done. We will build. And that's the perfect way to go about it, man. Could go either way. Project could, after the storm clears, dust settles, make a comeback, or, you know, investors could leave the Gala ecosystem. We'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. If you hold the project, you hold Gala, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for tuning in. I wish nothing but success for the project. If you're a long-term holder and you have conviction, I wish nothing but success for you. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one.